If you're looking for reliable web hosting that's affordable, transparent, and officially recommended by WordPress, this video is for you. In this video, I'm giving you a full DreamHost review covering performance, features, pricing, hosting plans, pros and cons, who DreamHost is best for, and how to get up to 75% off plus a free domain name. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which DreamHost plan to choose and whether DreamHost is the right hosting provider for your website. If you want DreamHost's biggest discount available, click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied, and you get a free domain name for 1 year on eligible plans. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best DreamHost pricing available. Let's jump in. What is DreamHost? DreamHost is one of the longest running web hosting companies in the industry with over 27 years of experience. They're also one of the few hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress.org, alongside a very small group of trusted hosts. DreamHost is known for simple, transparent pricing, strong performance, generous plan limits, no aggressive upsells, a strong focus on WordPress hosting. They currently host over 1.5 million websites worldwide. DreamHost performance and speed. Performance matters, especially for SEO, user experience, and conversions. To properly test DreamHost, I didn't just install WordPress and stop there. I built and tested a fully functioning website, including real pages, images, plugins, and standard WordPress features you'd expect on a live site. DreamHost uses NVMe SSD storage for faster data access, optimized server configurations for WordPress, built-in caching and performance optimizations, reliable uptime infrastructure. During testing, the website loaded very fast with pages responding quickly and consistently, even when navigating between multiple pages in content-heavy sections. For blogs, business websites, and WordPress sites in general, DreamHost delivers smooth performance and fast load times that easily meet modern speed expectations. If you're building a real website, not just a blank WordPress install, DreamHost handles it without any issues. One important thing to know about DreamHost is that it does not use cPanel. Instead, DreamHost uses a custom-built control panel designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. Inside the DreamHost dashboard, you can easily install and manage WordPress, add and manage domains, create email accounts, access backups, manage SSL certificates, control website settings. For beginners, this is actually a plus. The layout is clean, not overwhelming, and you're not buried under dozens of confusing options. If you're coming from cPanel, there may be a short adjustment period, but once you get used to it, the DreamHost panel is straightforward and easy to navigate. Overall, the control panel makes DreamHost a good choice for users who want simplicity over complexity. DreamHost offers 24/7 customer support, which is especially important if you're running a live website or managing WordPress. You can contact DreamHost support through 24/7 live chat, support tickets through your account dashboard. In addition to direct support, DreamHost has a large knowledge base filled with step-by-step guides, WordPress tutorials, hosting setup walkthroughs, troubleshooting articles. This is great if you prefer to solve things on your own without contacting support. Between 24/7 support and the extensive knowledge base, DreamHost provides solid help options for both beginners and experienced users. DreamHost offers 3 main web hosting plans, and all of them including strong features right out of the box. All plans come with up to 75% off promotional pricing, 30-day money-back guarantee, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, unmetered bandwidth, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year on annual or longer plans. Let's break down each plan. Web hosting launch plan, starting at $2.99 per month. This is DreamHost's entry-level plan, but it's surprisingly generous. You get 25 websites, 40,000 monthly visits, 25 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free email, up to 20 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year, best for beginners, personal blogs, small business websites, first-time WordPress users. This plan offers excellent value for the price. Web hosting growth plan, starting at $3.99 per month. This is the best overall value for most people. You get 50 websites, 200,000 monthly visits, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free email, up to 40 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, a free domain for 1 year. Best for growing websites, multiple sites, content creators, small businesses expecting traffic growth. If you're unsure which plan to choose, this is usually the safest option. Web hosting scale plan, starting at $9.99 per month. This plan is built for high traffic websites. You get 100 websites, 400,000 monthly visits, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free email up to 60 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year, best for high traffic WordPress sites, agencies managing multiple sites, businesses scaling aggressively, DreamHost email hosting. DreamHost includes free email for the first 3 months on all plans, launch up to 20 mailboxes, growth up to 40 mailboxes, scale up to 60 mailboxes. After the free period, email is still affordable compared to most hosting providers. One standout DreamHost feature is the free handcrafted starter website. If you don't want to build your site from scratch, DreamHost will set up WordPress, install a starter design, give you a ready-to-edit website. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to launch quickly. DreamHost offers flexible billing terms, monthly, yearly, 2-year, 4-year. Important note, the monthly plan does not include a free domain. The annual or multi-year plans do include a free domain for 1 year. If you want the lowest monthly price, the biggest discount, a free domain name, then the annual or multi-year plans are the best choice. DreamHost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free. If it's not the right fit, you can cancel within 30 days and get a full refund. Pros and cons. Pros, up to 75% off hosting, free domain on annual plans, NVMe storage, daily backups included, official WordPress recommendation, very transparent pricing, great value for money. Cons, no free domain on the monthly plan, common in the web hosting industry. Control panel is custom, not cPanel. Phone support is limited. Who is DreamHost best for? DreamHost is best for WordPress beginners, bloggers, small businesses, content creators, anyone who wants strong value without upsells. If you want simple, affordable, and reliable hosting, DreamHost is a great choice. Is DreamHost worth it? Yes, DreamHost is absolutely worth it for most users. It combines strong performance, generous plan limits, transparent pricing, WordPress-focused features, excellent long-term value. If you want to get up to 75% off plus a free domain, click the link in the description below to unlock the best DreamHost deal available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.